So, good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to start the topic latitudes. I am going to read the topic first, then I will explain you properly with the help of diagrams in the book which are given in the book. See this. These are the diagrams which are given in the book. Those who are not having the books, they can see very carefully. I am showing you these all diagrams are there. I have sent you the images also. You can see the images, or you can go through the Google also to understand this topic carefully, properly. The two ends of the Earth's axis, the North Pole and the South Pole, are the basic points of reference to locate places. If we imagine a circle around the middle of the Earth exactly halfway between the two poles, we will arrive at the equator, the second reference point used to locate places. The equator, or the Great Circle, divides the Earth into two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The equator represents 0 degree, while the North Pole and the South Pole are 90 degree north and 90 degree south of the equator respectively. So students, I have told you on Saturday to draw this diagram. It is not coming in your exam, just for your information I have told you to draw this. So it is given in this paragraph that the Earth, 2 points are the main points, North Pole, South Pole. We can locate the places with the help of this North Pole, South Pole, and second part is the equator. Equator, if we cut the Earth into half, then equator will be the biggest circle. So it is also known as the Great Circle. The equator or the Great Circle divides the Earth into two equal parts. So the two equal parts are northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere, this is the southern hemisphere. Now see this, I have written on this. This is the northern hemisphere, which is on the top to the North Pole, and this is the southern hemisphere from here to here, which is at the South Pole. Always the equator is at 0 degree, and always the North Pole is 90 degree north and south is 90 degree south.